Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make poached egg and mushroom over some delicious toast. Let's go. First, we're going to start with cooking our bacon. We want to render down that fat. We're going to use that fat to cook our delicious mushrooms. Now, I only had button mushrooms, but if you have chanterelle or oysters, portobello, any other kind of mushrooms, go ahead and use them. We want to add a little bit of butter, make a nice sauce. Cook out the moisture from the mushrooms. In the meantime, get your toast ready. I use plain white toast. Your mushrooms and bacon will be ready. Don't forget to season some salt, some fresh ground pepper. Then I put it on a paper towel to drain any excess moisture or fat. Then add a little bit of vinegar to your water. This will help coat the egg and actually help it wrap around itself. And crack it into a bowl so it's a nice even drop into the water. We want the water to have a little bit of motion. After about 3 minutes, the egg should be ready. You want to just check on it. If it's a little wobbly, you can put it right back in. Another 10 seconds. Again, we're going to put this on a paper towel. Drain any excess moisture from that. And now, we're ready to assemble our dish. I hope you guys were able to follow along. This is a delicious meal you can make at any breakfast. Stay tuned for more great delicious meals. And this has been Cooking with a K.